Hello everyone, for today's video we're going to talk about mathematics, but in a fun way, because who wouldn't want to learn fun? We're going to show you different mathematical problems, but in a much engaging way, such as patterns, riddles, and puzzles. Now, let's dive right into our first problem. Let's start with the easy one. Look at this series of numbers. 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, and 27. Now, what number do you think should come next? You can pause this video and try to guess the answer. If your answer is 14, then you are right. You may be wondering, how did we get the number 14 for the next one? Well, it's because in this series, each number is repeated. Hence, the 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. After the number is repeated, you will now need to subtract 13 in order to get the next number. 53 minus 13 is 40. 40 minus 13 is 27. Now, finally, 27 minus 13 is 14. Hence, the answer is 14. Now that you know the first problem, let's now move on to the next mathematical problem, which is a riddle.
In this dystopian world, your resistance group is humanity's last hope. Unfortunately, you've all been captured by the tyrannical rulers and brought to the ancient Colosseum for deadly entertainment. Before you're thrown into the dungeons, you see many numbered hallways leading outside, although all the doors are locked with a combination keypad. By that, you learn that one of you will be allowed to try to escape by passing a challenge, while everyone else will be fed to the dragons the next morning. Zara will be the one who will take the challenge because of her perfect logical reasoning as her power. You hand her a concealed audio transmitter so that the rest of you can listen along. As Zara took the challenge, a voice announces that she must enter a code consisting of 3 positive whole numbers in ascending order. So the second number is greater than or equal to the first, and the third is greater than or equal to the second. She may ask for up to 3 clues only, but if she makes a wrong guess or says something else, she'll be thrown back into the dungeon. For the first clue, the voice says the product of the 3 numbers is 36, and when Zara asks for the second clue, it tells her the sum of the numbers is the same as the number of the hallway she entered. And for the third clue, the voice announces that the largest number appears only once in the combination. Moments later, you heard the door getting unlocked and you realize that Zara has escaped. Unfortunately, her transmitter is no longer in range, so that's all the information you get. Can you find a solution, or can you escape the dungeon? Here's all the gathered information for you to figure it out. You started from the first clue. You worked out all the 8 possible combinations that come out to a product of 36. Followed by the second clue, you decided to work out the sum of each combination 3 numbers. You realize that all but 2 of the sums are unique. The hallway number must have matched the only sum that appears more than once in the list, which is 13. But which of the 2 combinations that add up to 13 is correct? 166 or 229? And that's where the third clue comes in, since it tells us that the largest number must be repeated only once in the combination. 229 must be the code. When the night falls, you and the others escape through hallway 13 and rejoin Zara outside. But wait, there's more. Have you heard of the word puzzle? If you're interested in puzzle, please do continue watch this video.
Are you familiar with the mathematical puzzle? A puzzle is a thing that is difficult to understand or explain. The term also refers to a game, toy, or a problem designed to test ingenuity or knowledge. Math puzzles are problems that require mathematical logic and calculation. I will give you an example of math puzzles. And here's the instruction. Can you find the missing number? Each of the puzzle contains some numbers, and these numbers relate to each other with some hidden pattern. You have to find the hidden pattern and then find the value of the missing number, which will replace the question mark. Here's example number 1. What should replace the question mark in below figure? You can pause this video and try it for yourself. I hope na nasagutan nyo ng yung puzzle. And here's the solution. If you multiply the first two number in the first row, or basically 23 multiplied by 23, we will get 529. And if we add 529 in 529, we will get 16. So kaya yung 16 yun yung last number sa first row. And ganun din sa second row, if we multiply 29 by 29, we will get 841. And if we add 841 in 841, we will get 13. Kaya yung last number in sa second row is 13. And similarly, sa last row, if we multiply 31 by 31, we will get 961. And if we add 961 sa 961, we will get 16. So the missing number sa last row is 16. Na-challenge ba kayo sa example number 1? And kung nag-enjoy kayo, I will give another example, but this time is mas madali siya compared dun sa example number 1. And here's the example number 2. What should replace the question mark in the below figure? Again, you can pause this video and try it for yourself. And I hope na nasagutan nyo na yung video, nasagutan nyo na yung puzzle. And here's the solution. Move upward to the peak by adding consecutive numbers from the previous row. So basically, pag in-add down natin yung previous row, is makukuha natin yung mga numbers sa next row. For example, do sa last row, if we add the first number, which is 1, and the second number, which is 3, we will get the first number in the third row, which is 4. And ganun din sa second number and the third number do sa last row. If you add 3 and 5, we will get 8, and if you add 5 and 6, we will get 11. And ganun din yung gawin natin para makuha natin yung number sa second row. If we add 4 and 8, we'll get 12. And if we add 8 and 11, we will get 19. And again, ganun din gagawin natin para makuha natin yung missing number. If we add 12 and 19, we will get 31. So the answer for this question is 31. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa mga given examples, and I hope din na nag-improve yung logical thinking nyo. And if you want to learn more about puzzles, pwede kayo mag-search sa Google and try nyo tong isolve. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone!
Hello everyone!
You have reached the last part of the video. And before that, I would like to say thank you for watching our video about the topics we discussed, like mathematical patterns, puzzles, and riddles.
I hope na sa lesson natin ngayon ay may natutunan at napulot kayo na magagamit nyo in the future.
Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, huwag kakalimutan na mag-like, comment, and share sa mga friends and classmates ninyo.
But wait, there's more! Don't forget to tell others to subscribe and click the ring button here in Ilocano Math TV.
Thank you for watching!